Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today I do have another wig review for you all. This unit was sent over to us from Kriyya hair, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. This is the box that she came in, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this with you all, and we're going to get into it. When you open it up, we have a little goodie bag right away. It looks like it has some hair clips, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and a really cute scarf. So that is nice. And of course, here is the wig. Ooh. This is a 13 by 4 frontal, as you can see by the space inside. And it has 2 combs at the top on each side, 1 comb down bottom, and adjustable straps. So this unit is 24 inches long and a curly texture, as you can see. The hair feels really soft and fluffy, so let's go ahead and try it on. So this is what the unit looks like on. She is fitting comfortably, and the hairline also looked pretty good just from, like trying it on and taking a look. So it's like giving a little bit of pre-plucked action. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, style the unit, and I'll be back in a little bit for my final thoughts. Okay, so we are back. I am all finished styling this unit, and y'all already know how I feel about big hair and the curls and the texture. It's just, whoo, it's just doing it for me, okay? I love this unit. I not too long ago reviewed another unit from Kriyya hair that was the V-part wig in a similar texture. I think this is like kinky curly, and that one was in like a jerry curly. But either way, it doesn't matter. I love both of these textures. This one too, it is like a tight kinky curl, and it is so voluminous and so pretty. Now, normally what I do with the curly units is I'll go in and I will get a wide tooth comb and I'll fluff it up. I'll make it big and da 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 da. I didn't even have to do all of that to this unit because, honey, like straight out the pack, you are getting the volume, okay? Straight out the pack. You don't need to fluff anymore. Of course, you can if you want to. It's your prerogative. But I did not fluff this unit anymore. I just kind of, you know, fluffed it up like this with my hands. But I did not comb through it or even finger comb it or nothing like that. And she's gorgeous. This unit is big head friendly. As you can see, it is fitting me comfortably. It is all size friendly. As I mentioned, it is 24 inches long in the kinky curly texture. It is in this natural color, like a dark brown, but almost looks like black. I feel like it's coming across very dark, but it is a dark brown. And although this is a 13x4 frontal, I would even consider this one beginner friendly. Y'all, it took me like no time at all to style this unit. Like, I feel like I really did everything within 8 minutes. No kidding, like 8 minutes. And that's crazy. So I think this can be a beginner friendly unit, you know, even if you're a little new to wigs, because you do not have to do all these baby hairs. Okay, baby hairs, sometimes they can take up a lot of time. You do not have to do that. You can have like a nice clean part, and then once you just go in and you find where you want your part to be. That's another thing I really liked about this unit. The parting space, even though it was a 13x4, it wasn't all crowded. Like, once I part the hair and I separated it, it was like, boom, okay, there's the part. There we go. I just added in my powder and it was really simple. So this is like beginner to intermediate wig user friendly. I know that some people really like the V parts, and then other people were like, can you just direct me to a lace front that looks just like this? So if you're one of those people who prefers like no leave out, you just want the wig, then here you go. Kriyya has got you covered. They have a lot of units to choose from, so make sure you check out that link in the description box below, because this exact unit will be posted there, but also, you know, you can browse their website as well. Kriyya hair with this unit and with their last V part, they are now on my list for like favorite curly wigs. I just love it. Something else I really like about this wig, sometimes when you get curly wigs, they are so ultra straight up here and it looks weird to me. Like, it'll be like super straight and flat and then it'll get curly, and I really feel like the curls, look at that, like they're right up top. It's almost like curly from the root. And that's what I really like about this unit also. The texture, the luster, the density, it's all a win for me. Big hair don't care, okay? Fluff as you please. I love it. Let me show you what she's looking like from the back really quickly. So she is 24 inches long, and that is where she's falling on me. And I am 5'4" for reference. Y'all, I am really happy with this unit. Book the flight, sis. Book the flight now. This is definitely some vacation hair. It's big hair. It's curly hair. I love everything about it. Let me know what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. Once again, thank you to Kriyya Hair for sending over this unit to me for review. I do appreciate it. Thank you for making it to the end of this video and watching it in full. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you have not already. We are on the road to 10K. Drop me a comment. I always reply to all of them. Also, remember to share me out if you would like, with your mother, your sister, your cousin, your friend, anyone who you think would enjoy this wig, this content. Then please share this video. I thank you so much for watching, and I will chat with you later.